The Animoto Marketing Toolbar is designed to let you access all your video marketing needs quickly and easily. Today we're going to explore the toolbar and show you how to use these options in your next marketing video. First up is the media tray, which is where you'll head when you want to upload images, video clips and logos into your video. Just under that is the style icon. Click here to see what video style you have currently, or click the grey change button to switch your style and get a whole new set of transitions and text effects for your video. Next you'll see the ratio icon. This lets you shift your video's aspect ratio between square and landscape formats so that even if you've chosen a storyboard with a different aspect ratio, say a landscape template you'd like to optimize for mobile, you can still adjust it to fit your needs. Below ratio is the design icon. Click here to adjust your marketing video's overall color scheme or to select a different font. Filter your whole project with the filter icon, making all of your images warmer, cooler, or even converting your images and video clips to black and white. Head to the music icon to change or upload your song or adjust your song's volume. You can even mute your music by sliding the song volume all the way to the left. The toolbar gives you the versatility to create customized marketing videos that fit your business. The next time you log in, try exploring these features and see how you can change the look and sound of your video. Happy video making!